just gonna. Okay, go.
Storm?
Yeah.
Summon?
Yeah.
Effect?
I'm gonna get my ass handed this turn.
Yeah. No, not him.
Don't worry, this one became a two-potter. Just because I went in the end.
Seed?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you got it.
It's a game.
Yeah, I know.
I got next. Banjo? So you better win? Or Justin, just wreck him, man. Just wreck him. Ugh, shit.
Fuck, Karen stronger? Is the strongest dragon apparently?
Apparently.
That's weird.
Dragon Knight with multi-skill play.
No.
Solid.
Kieran will kill it.
So much better.
So much easy. So easy. Multi-skill dragon I can't hold up against the sheer cold.
It's true.
I'll go first.
Oh, it sounds horrible.
Go.
Oh, it became even more horrible.
Don't blame the cards.
Summon? No
Yeah.
effect. Attack? 16 direct angle?
Ooh, that magician.
He's just gonna set it. He's gonna take into it.
Well, I mean, he's got a factory on the field.
Oh,
And he's
I mean,
gonna have a magician.
yeah, the shark in his hand.
Or do I?
I mean, yeah, he can just use Rabbit's effect.
Go. Oh, that's true. Damn.
See? You don't think about the big picture, Banjo. Oh,
Heaviest of all the storms.
That's what I thought. I'm responsible now.
You know, blink out, you can grab a card.
Yeah, I ain't grab a quick card.
You shark.
Yeah, the shark.
ooh, look at him go Shark Master on you. Imagine.
Oh my god.
Ooh, go Shark Drake. Bring it back so you can kill it again.
again, and again, and again, and again.
It's funny how he doesn't capture a single legendary, huh?
Because he's a little pussy.
Yeah.
Actually, no. In the new anime, the new series of Pokemon Black and White, not a little charm.
Doesn't he keep
Pokemon-
Meloetta?
No,
Huh?
he doesn't.
Doesn't he-
She just follows him around.
Yeah, but he kind of like trains with her and battles with her, doesn't he?
It's a wild Pokemon. It just makes him more of a pussy than ever. Yeah, I'm still gonna follow me around. Magician. Special. Fact.
Chocolate.
You can go Shark doing something out.
Oh god.
Scary. Oh, look at him give 500 more to everything.
No, he's gonna make the ship. Oh, die.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, and then you're gonna make full-time butterfly lady.
Damn, that next level.
Yeah. Nah, that's fine.
There's that really tall guy that's like Paris, but not Paris.
Mm-hmm.
Stays outside.
Oh,
Oh my god. Paris was asking what you name your baby. What do you name your baby?
Let's check his game.
Do you have game, Justin? Are you gonna make a brilliant? No, like Leviathan.
Damn.
I'm pretty sure that's a game, isn't it?
Oh. Wait,
Yeah.
no, that didn't have enough to kill it. My bad.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
It loses
Yeah, it
600
loses.
because of photon.
Oh yeah, huh?
Doesn't it get powered up by this too?
No.
Only him.
Yeah.
Just the top, no, just that top one.
Oh, lame ass windows.
It's probably a game, no?
Oh, gruel dice.
Okay, shit. Let's see. 21 minus 500 minus 25. That's 3,000. Minus 24. Yeah, that's good.
Damn. There's no way I was coming back.
Which one looks nicer?
Oh,
And here's the best
yeah.
looking.
You can come back, bro. I'm telling you.
He had Heavy Storm and Instant Fusion in his hand.
Could come back. You could have. I'm telling you, dude.
Third one.
Okay.
I'm
it
telling you,
1-1?
coulda came back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even if he
It's
didn't.
1-1.
Damn.
He just remembers his winnings, man.
No.
Windows are easy to beat.
He just special summon Cyber Dragon and contact. Special summon, contact, repeat.
And
All you got to do to beat Windows.
Scoop.
Microcosm. So you can use that.
They don't need rat.
Fuck that, man.
They need sharks and magician.
No, fuck magician and shark. You can have skill drain on the field.
that screws over windows.
You don't get magician's effect. You get stupid shark ass bitch ass effect.
Now, what deck are you playing?
Oh, I'm playing macro skill drain anti-meta shit.
With Grapekeepers.
Well, you can't play anti-meta shit if you have skill drain.
Nigga, I run a deck with skill drain and macrocosmos.
You go first.
Okay, that's skill drain macrocosmos.
No, I don't run macrocosmos. I run
What?
necro
Exactly.
The good cards in there?
I forgot. I don't run. I run necro value.
Ever since it's Biomass
necro
5.
value plus that deck too.
Where's it? What going on?
Let me see this.
It's a searcher.
Damn, I can't attack you.
Oh, you can't.
My black instinct.
Go.
You could check your black off those from my car.
Heavy storm.
So
Oh god, infinities now.
Yes, we're playing Furries, bitch. Go.
Yeah, biomass mutation.
I bought it for $3.
I'm scared of that torrential attack.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah, go.
Go.
Oh god.
Best back row ever.
Damn.
You're not listening to Jake Shower.
Summon?
No.
What does it do?
That one normal summon.
I
He
get some
gets
additional
another
normal.
normal summon.
Okay.
Normal summon?
It's about
The
like
torrential.
The one I just drew.
Oh, get in there, Justin.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, get in there.
He has
Why didn't you activate?
the deep
Why didn't you activate that?
Because I can do this instead.
warning it.
It's cheaper by just warding it.
700.
Yeah, okay.
Go ahead. Take it 2 seconds.
34, and you've taken 4,000.
Go, I just revealed my back row, bitch.
Compulse?
Mine?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe you want yours.
Sacred War.
It's all MSTs.
They're probably all just summon? No effect?
No effect. No effect. No effect. Okay.
Set. 7.
Yeah.
17. You get to put. Go.
Taking 41.
Damn, he's getting in there.
I have to do this. I have. Magician?
That's fine.
Mind control?
Oh, you bastard. Go ahead. And then Arturo's like, don't run mind control, it's bad.
That way he gets mind control. My magician. Top.
Maestro.
Deep prison? I thought it was mine. What the fuck?
Go.
Yeah, Gil Gates.
Okay.
48.
Wind up puncher.
Oh, fuck
Go.
Oh damn, you have a key room.
700.
Yes.
55.
Rat. Book.
Fucking you know, I'm tired of this shit.
How much are you at now?
He was at 55. So I would leave him with
What you showing?
25. Half of 25. That's
You put him with
1250.
this one for no reason now.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Wind up carry.
Oh, God, that was so close.
That story. The little internet curse.
Yep. No, they were a hat.
Get magician.
I can't do anything. I have no hand.
Gigabrillion.
Yeah, blood rush.
18.
Yeah.
Take 11. That's
Couldn't you
29.
essentially do this?
What is this?
And then the
21?
guy that dies, bring it back.
That's 21?
Yeah.
You're at 800. He's at 1250.
Oh, I was gonna make gunman next turn. My turn?
He's at 1250.
Top deck. Where was it? Where
As long as you can do 1250.
Bullshit.
Let's go. Yeah. How much seconds are you? I mean,
1250 to 800.
how much is this at?
1800.
Summon by removing a light monster.
Uh-huh.
Attack. Oh, that.
Damn.
Good. No, activate.
No.
Huh? How did you activate your back, bro?
Cause it would have not made. Oh.
You died like a man.
If I had this, I would have been like.
Wait,
wow.
would this work with this?
Wait, let me see.
You still work
I'm,
with
I'm just gonna kill my rabbits.
Ah,
yeah, killed by rabbits.
Ooh, Alabanjo lost. Why would you lose?
I don't know. I'm
So
gonna fix this
bad.
thing up.
Okay, what?
You
Fuck
still work
it.
together or not?